Hi everybody, welcome to your learning path that will be your last one for 2020. That's pretty exciting to think about that we've made it this far. This week you're going to be taking your Unit 3 summative test. This will be your last summative assignment for this semester. So let's get right into it and look at everything that you need to complete this week to make sure you're successful on your test. There are some directions here on the first page of your It's Learning Planner. It does tell you that this week you'll take your summative, and it mentions that first you should complete the review assignments. Then you'll complete your test, and finally, if you have not completed your assessment number 6, that needs to be done as well. So let's look into our learning path to see what review activities are available for you. On step 1, you have this video, and you have a little bit of information about our help sessions. The time will be posted there, but they will be on Monday and Wednesday at 11 o'clock. Note that Mondays is a quizzes review where you can compete against your classmates and have a little bit of fun while reviewing for your test. So be sure to call in on time so that you can get the join code and join us for that fun review session. Okay, Wednesday I'm going to leave open for you just to call in with any final questions that you have about assignments, any of the review activities, or just topics in general. So Monday will be a game, and Wednesday will be a call-in time for questions. On this same page, I've listed all of your review opportunities for you for this week, and you'll notice that they are by topic. Okay. So we start out with ratios, rates, and relationships. There's a couple of worksheets with answer keys. There's also an edge elastic assigned in Google Classroom. Second, unit rates and proportions. So again, worksheets with answer keys and an edge elastic assignment. There is graphing, a little bit more on graphing, and here there are just worksheets with answer keys. And then scale factor and similar figures, a little bit more practice on that through an edge elastic assigned in Google Classroom. So lots of review opportunities for you to take advantage of. In addition, there's a study guide with an answer key. So you are welcome to print that out. You do not need to. You can just work the problems on paper and then check your answers. All of this is just there for you to make sure that you are feeling confident about your test. Okay. Finally, it does mention your assessment. If you have not finished assessment 6, that would be for you to do at the end of the week. Okay. All right. Let's look to the next page. The next pages are pretty simple because you've done these before. It starts with an honesty pledge. For this unit, you are allowed to use a calculator, so you may use that, but no other additional outside help. So sign your name there, saying that it is your own work. Next, you will have a test in It's Learning, and there is a password for you to be able to log into the test. And I also want you to note that it is timed. So once you start the test, make sure that you are able to finish it within that 90-minute period of time. That should be plenty of time for you to start and finish if you are dedicated in a quiet place where you can sit and finish the test, okay? It would be just like a class period of time for that 90 minutes. Okay, so this is your test itself, and then we have, again, just like with every test, an assignment for you to upload your work. So take a picture of it and upload it. I'm not expecting work for every single problem. There will be some problems that you do not need to do work on, but you should have some work for most of the problems that you're able to take a picture of, upload into a Google document or Google Slides, something like that, and then attach it in your assignment like we have done for the other tests that you've taken. Okay. Finally is our assessment page with just a review of those assignments and the contact information if you needed help with that. Okay. All right. So I hope to see you Monday and or Wednesday for our help sessions. I hope you have a great week. Good luck on your test. and we will talk soon. Bye.